Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool pattern that anybody could draw. We're going to start with a square, and we need to make it 12 inches. I got my ratio locked, so it's 12 by 12. I hit P to put it in the center of the page. Then I'm going to draw an ellipse and make it 12 inches and hit P. Now I'm going to take my rectangle with the shape tool, and I've got mine set on scallop corners, and I'm just going to bring that in. Now I need to take a 2-point line, and I'm going to hit P, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to mirror it the other way. I can actually go cut these lines now. I could have just done it shorter lines, but we end up with that. Now I'm going to make it a thicker line, and let's make it 36 points. I'm going to go ahead and go to Object and convert the outline to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click. And if you look, now my object is 12 and a half. 36 points must be the right number. I'm going to go ahead and weld this, and you can see what we're going to get. Now I'm going to set my nudge factor on 12 inches. And if it works out right, because we picked the right thickness, it matches right there. And then I'm going to Control D, Control D. Now to get the next step, I'm going to Control G, but I'm going to turn my nudge factor to 6. And I'm going to hit the plus key, and I'm going to nudge it down and over. Look at that, it matches. Now I can change my nudge to 12, but I can just hit the plus key and move the arrow down twice. And then once I do that, I can Control D. Then all you have to do is take this and weld it. And then all the lines work out perfectly, have been welded. Look at that. And this would be a really cool, I'm always looking for vent screen covers that are pretty good for something like that. We'll take the interactive fill tool and we'll make it blue. We're going to change the color on this one compared to that one. I'm going to I always play with this interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go from there to there, and I'm going to put this light blue in that corner. Now I'm going to move it out of the way so my outline isn't showing, and I'm going to get a black box. Make a black rectangle, make it black, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. It's not as cool as the red and yellow, but there's a lot. You could do anything with this. We'll get back there. Let's go ahead and make them blue on both sides, and then make it that light blue in the middle. That's a pretty cool graphic. But I like this grid that you could use and cut out. And if you don't understand, like a air conditioner vent cover or a intake cover, because you could turn this into a square and have it fit into your whatever size shape your cover is, and it would keep animals or little fingers from getting too far in there. Of course, it would be pretty fragile. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.